but you guys have to follow me on the channel. Say, yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe down below for me. Like this video. I see you guys. I see you. You watching right now. You there, just subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. Like this video for me. Let me dance for you. Now, the first step to this sweet, I think it's Makossa, and hold, I think it's hold Afro Makossa song beat. And the first step is listen guys, just turn your whisk like this. While throwing your legs to this side, and throw your legs to this side. So it's 1, 2. So it's 1. You can do this movement. You can do this one too. You have to do this, convert it to 5, 6, 7. Listen guys, that's the first step. So it's 5, 6, 7. So after that step, next step you want to do is you hit forward, hit backward. That's my leg guys. It's flapping like a wing. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. You hit forward, you hit backward. Hit forward, go hit backward. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. So guys, first things you know is you hit front, hit back, you hit the front like you hit then turn. Facing back like this. You hit face back. That's the next step. Let me give everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it guys, up to this extent. So if you are watching this video, if you are watching up to this extent, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like and subscribe guys, share to your friends. And let's dive right into the video. So the next step in this tutorial is after you hit, you turn. Next thing to do is you jump like style. Jump with style, run forward with style. Cross, 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 cross. I think I see you are running. You have to run like me, run like me, run like me. That's the next thing to do guys. If you are flexible enough, you can touch your leg as you're running. So you're flexible enough to do that. From here on, the next step is just sweat. Just pure leg work. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. Sorry guys. Okay, yes. The next step is just leg work. So let's just dive right into the video. 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen guys, once you are finished, run your race. Let's do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You do your normal leg walk 4 times. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4. After your 4 leg walk, next you do is to crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do crisscross for 4 times. Then the next one again is your lazy 4 leg walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then having my own step, you go forward, you hit the ground, you bounce, leg up again. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you guys are following this video. Hope you guys are following. Okay, let me take that last part in slow-mo for you guys. Take it in slow-mo for you guys. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you run, you're gonna walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Push cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg walk again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you 1, 2, 3. Then you bounce 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. That is it, guys. That is a full dance tutorial. So let's do from the beginning once more for you guys. Let's dance. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. When I'm gonna So guys, that is the full dance tutorial, dance challenge. If you like this video, please subscribe down below for me. Comment what you think about this video. Like this video for me, guys, and don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.